Hello everyone! For today, we are going to talk about nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is our body language and everything we communicate besides the spoken word. Postures, gestures, dress in appearance, facial expressions, and the like.
Facial expression is the motion or position of the muscle beneath the skin of the face. This movement conveys the emotional state of an individual to observer and a form of nonverbal communication.
Body language is a range of nonverbal signals that you can use to communicate your feelings and intentions. These include your posture, facial expressions, and hand gestures. Your ability to understand and interpret other people's body language can help you to pick up on unspoken issues or feelings.
Gesture. A gesture is a form of non-verbal communication or non-vocal communication in which visible bodily action particular messages, either in place of or in conjunction with speech. Gesture include movement of the hands, face, or other parts of the body.
Mixed messages. It occurs when verbal and nonverbal cues. Explicit statement or action send conflicting or confusing messages and congruence. The conflicting elements may involve tone of voice, facial expression, body languages, or explicit statement that contradict underlying attitudes or behaviors.
Eye contact. Since the visual sense is dominant for most people, and eye contact is an especially important type of nonverbal communication. The way you look at someone can communicate many things, including interest, affection, hostility, of attraction.
Appearance and a nonverbal communication, the way someone looks to observe body type, style of dress, a key feature of genital, information, and visual strofing. Appearance and a dictionary of media and communication.
The utilization of nonverbal communication in ASEAN organization can be seen in their summits, diplomatic talks, and when certain leader visits other members' country. They can also exchange nonverbal communications through sharing their traditions and culture by showing how it is done in front of other leaders when they visit other members' country.